Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python complete course. So in the previous video I explained you about if statement. This show that the if a statement execute a block of code only when the condition is true. But what happen if the condition is false? So suppose we are checking whether a student pass exam or not. So if the student get more than 40 plus marks, it should display pass. Otherwise, if the student could not achieve it, so it will display fail. So the simple if a statement cannot handle both of the this, it can either show it fail or either show it pass. It can either one time show it fail or not, or either it will show pass or not. So for this purpose, is a else statement used. So first of all, introduction. So the if-else statement used to choose between two different block of code based on condition. So first of all, what is an if-else statement? So an if state, sorry, an if-else statement is a decision-making statement that execute one block of code when the condition is true and another block of code when the condition is false. Unlike the simple if statement, the else block is executed only when if condition false. So these are the syntax of this condition. If the condition is true, this statement execute. If the condition is false, then else this statement execute. Like if age equal to 16, if age equal to greater than 18, it is eligible for vote. Otherwise, it is not eligible for vote. So, like you can take also here the age is 16, so it is not eligible for vote. Here number equal to 7, number divisible by 2 equal to divisible by 2, then it is even. Otherwise, it is odd. So it will come odd as output. So it is not even here output. So let's do it. Like if we take a num equal to anything you type, and then if num here I type two large digit numbers, so it will take time for to give input. Here we have also put like this, and then print odd. If we run this, it will become odd because it is not divisible by 2. If we put like this, then it will show even because it is divisible by 2, and you can put other number by like 5. You can also put whether it is divisible by 10 or not by using this operator, and operator num divisible by 2 is equal to 0. This is even. If we put 5 here, this is advanced topic. I will just give a sample of it. You just and like this. If I explained told you in last unit that and is true when both the condition is true, or otherwise if we can use here, or if the one of the condition in, or if one of the condition is true, then it is true. So it will give even here like this. I already explained. So here the flow of execution, like first check the condition, and then if the condition is true, execute if block. Else skip the or and skip the else block. So if the condition is false, then execute the else block. So first of all, you have to check the condition. Then if the condition is true, execute the if block and skip the else block. Otherwise, if the condition is false, so skip the if if block and execute else block like this. Like you have take voting example about this. Like you can take other things like 30, 45. If age, we have to here 25 is the minimum prime minister year age required. So if age greater than equal to 25, print eligible for PM. Else PM not eligible for PM, like this. So here age is 45, which is greater than 25. So it will print the if statement, which is eligible for PM. If we put it is like 22, then it will skip the if statement because it is false. So it will come to else statement, which is not eligible for PM. And if we put 25, this is also eligible for PM. So like this. We do even our now we do one more thing, that is pass or fail. We also have to do marks equal to 6, 7, and if 240, then we have to print pass. And if it is not, if a student marks is not greater than 14, then of course he would fail and backlog. It. So it will pass because here the marks is 67, which is greater than the condition that required to pass. So if we put 39 and it so fail, then in 40 it will pass, like this. Or many other thing, like in one more thing, if Python, no, I mean password checking. In password checking, if we have your password. Suppose you have a password of what called James 07, your password like this, and you have to prove it. You have to put your password. Then this if else condition you to verify it. So first the password, like this if else condition basically use in your mobile phone, like this. So uh, if you put file password, you this password is the password that you would put, and this password I gonna write that is the actual the correct password of your phone. So this is James 67, and then print. phone unlock. Yes, print incorrect password. So these are the basic things. Here I put I do something like this. So here my password do not match the actual password that it needs. So this is incorrect password, and if we put as correct one like 67, they need unlock. And if you don't put any number like 670 like this, then it is also incorrect. So these are it, and we also do positive negative also. So many of it done. So maybe these are now these are the real application like voting eligibility, login system, ATM balance check, pass fail result, online shopping discount. So common mistake is missing column incorrect annotation using equal to instead of comparison. So assigning value instead of comparison. Practice program. So this is check positive, negative, even odd, pass fail, largest of two number. And yeah, these three I already show you guys in my compiler. So the fourth one you have to do it by yourself, as you should take, you have to take it as your homework. So now these are the MCQ, like this keyword run the if condition to answer else, if condition is false, if like this. These are the interview question like what is an if else condition, differentiate between if and if else, and what is an indentation important. So these are the basic interview questions that ask why the company that comes for placement. So I hope you guys understand the if else statement properly. So see you guys in the next video. So keep up